Okay, boys, now we're going to learn how to submit an assignment. So we're going to go into assessments. We're going to go into Year 7 history. Our next assignment that is due is the arena of death. So we click on this and then we go up here. This is your rubrics here. So this is how I'm going to mark you. Okay, and then you go to submissions and then you press add file. Okay, and you add your file from your device in here. Okay, pick a file that you've done. So I'll just put the assignment in here so that it'll show you what to do. Where are we? Year 7. Right, but you're just going to put your assignment in. Okay, so I add my assignment there. I press open, and up it comes. Okay, and then your assignment will be there. Please make sure your name is on it. Okay, and have a good holiday.